Thanks for watching our technical product owner for the Guardian. They will be giving you an update of Sprint 48, which lasted from September 18 to September 29. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the roadmap. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 48. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a demo on Sprint 48. We'll also looking ahead of week of October 4th, which is Sprint 49. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 49. We'll also be talking about the upcoming releases. We'll be also giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests to various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian Road. Again, this is open source. Anybody can see that. All you need to do is install the ZenHub extension in Chrome. And when you travel to Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on there. So as you can see, we are working on AMS3BB policy. We are also working on the contract-based delegation for token retirement operations. We are working on the block and policy discoverability sort. We are also working on the Vera VM 0044 policy development. So now looking at Sprint 48 issues. So the Sprint 48 lasted from September 18 to September 29. So we committed to 40 story points and then we delivered 26 story points, which includes incorrect behavior with visibility of documents in Vera policy. This was one of the bugs. And then we worked on 2630, which is UNFCCC tools as a high-level abstraction component in the Guardian policy. So this was a major big feature which we have come up with, and it's in the development stage. Now let's look at the Sprint 40 demo. So we'll be looking at 2630 ticket, which is UNFCCC tools as a high-level abstraction component in Guardian policies. So currently Guardian has a number of methods to help users to build policies more efficiently and reuse the code, which has modules, linked policies, copy paste, and parent child actions on blocks and set of blocks. However, these tools are too low level for subject matter experts, environmental specialists, which think in higher order concepts. The best way of such concepts and the most relevant standard are tools as developed by the UNFCCC project. These currently cannot be directly implemented in Guardian policy as concept, and thus mapping UNFCCC tools which are numbered to policy elements is not a straightforward. So in order to solve this, we have developed a tools concept in our Guardian. So now let's look at how it is being used and implemented. So to give a short and clear example, we have developed a policy which is VM 0044 policy, which actually also includes tools underneath it. So when you try to import 44 policies from, currently it's in the develop branch, but we will be releasing this in our main release. When you go to our GitHub repo, you will see a methodology library. In that you have a subreddit where you will see a 4. Now if I just import this policy in Guardian using the import from PFS, as you can see, I've already imported the policy over here. Now once I import the policy, it would be initially in the draft stage. I would just like to open the policy configurator. In the policy configurator, when I just go to project 1 and header and project P, when I click on new project, as you can see here, you will see tool 12 and tool 5. So basically tool 2, tool 5 are both included and used in VM 0044. To get more details about each of the tools, you can either click on it on either of the respective tools, or as you can see here, you have the components of block component, then you have a module component, added a tool component, which will actually give you a detail of what all tools are being included in this particular policy. So to get more details, you can click on it, and then you can click on each of the policy. There you see which policy is included and what is linked. To get more details of the policy, we have also added a tab underneath the policies, which is tools. In that tools, you can just go ahead and all the tools will be listed out here, which is tool 5 and tool 12. You can see all the schemas related to that tool in the underneath the tool schemas tab in the schemas tab. So this was a quick demo on tools. We have also added documentation on tools of what exactly the tools are and how it is different than modules. Then you will see how to create the tools, how to import it, and then what are the limitations, how you can export, deletion, and what are the schemas, tool schemas, and each detailed description, what is the structure of each of the tools related to the events, how the events are affected using tools. Then we do have added implemented detailed APIs. As you can see, we have so many list of APIs related tools. Please have a look and let us know if you have any questions. You can raise a ticket, any tools, issues you have found, and we would be happy to help you. Now, looking ahead of week of Sprint 49, which is October 2nd to October 13th. So in this, we are currently committing to 44 story points, which actually includes some of the major tickets, which is contract with delegation, functions. So this ticket has actually been implemented as current retirement logic is non-functional. So we are trying to improve it and change the retirement operation. Then we are also working on 2281, which is block and policy discoverability search. We are trying to fix some of the bug, which is 2673, and we are also working on the new CDM policy, which is AMS3DB. Now talking about the releases, our last release was on Thursday, August 30. Our next release will be on Friday, September 29, 2023. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on Git. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.